So I have not vlogged in over a month. And then I have a very big special announcement. I want to talk to you guys about something soon.
Headed to the gym. This is what I take every day before. Got your amino acids, a little bit of creatine, and then I always do a little drops of vitamin D3 from AG1. These are the subs.
What is up, YouTube?
We are
back. Well, hi, my name is Jeanine Amapola Ward. I guess it's just Jeanine Ward now.
Come on.
But they know me as Jeanine Amapola.
You're still Jeanine Amapola.
This is my husband, Caleb Ward. If you are new here, my name is Jeanine. I've been doing YouTube for, gosh, 12 years. And I took a month off of YouTube. Y'all, we were supposed to do Vlogmas. I don't think that was our specialty. But anyway, we're back. We want to start weekly uploading. My name's Jeanine. This is Caleb. We live in Dallas. We are Christians. We are big health, fitness people. We love Jesus. And we just overall want to better you guys. And so our vlogs will be showing our life, things we're doing, faith-related content, health, wellness, and just hanging out with us.
Hanging around.
Just hanging around. So we are going to be back posting weekly. I apologize for the delay. We did take off social media on almost every single platform, whether that was my podcast. We took a week off social media on Instagram and TikTok. And so now we're, back and we're excited to be posting again. So today is just going to be a day in our life, just hanging out. Gym time. Who's ready?
Let's get it, baby.
I'm excited. Feeling good. I'm drinking my Spark. Here's today's fit. Good job.
I can't hear you.
If y'all know who Mark Cuban is, he goes to this gym. He's walking on the treadmill right now. I always see him here. I'm like, hey, Mark. Okay, it's raining, so I'm sorry if you can hear noises. And I also don't have my full tripod, but I'm getting ready. We're gonna film a podcast. My podcast is Happy and Healthy. We took a 3-week break and we are filming the second episode and I'm super excited. And then I have a very big special announcement that I would love to share with you guys. So stay tuned, but just getting ready for the day. And I'm eating this protein oatmeal that Caleb made for me. Also, I'm very aware this robe needs a good wash. All right, we are in the podcast room. We just finished an episode. This one was really, really fun. We talked about so many different topics. All right, it's chili time. We have our aprons on. Here is the chili. I think my parents are about to be here. I love this recipe. I found it online. It's so good. And it's so easy to make too. And it takes like 30 minutes.
Yes.
Hi, Mom and Dad.
Yeah, good evening.
What do you have
We are
to?
close to the big pot.
Yes. Do you like chili?
I
Wunderbar.
died for it.
Mommy, do you like chili?
Oh, I like when Jeanine is cooking and Kelly with his beautiful apron.
Oh yeah, we have our matching aprons
I
on.
look very professional.
Names and all.
Except I'm more the chef in this house, right baby?
No. Okay, chili's ready.
No.
It's good.
Are you guys ready to eat?
Are you drinking all this?
I just opened it.
Not answering my questions.
Hi.
Oh, he
Morning
spilled.
vlog, happy Saturday. I'm on my way to go work out at this new place called Wesley's. I'm hosting a class here in 2 weeks. I want to check it out. So excited. I'm really sore today, but I'm excited to get my body moving and it's gonna be a good day, so let's go work out. Here we are. This place is so cool. It's so big. A little girl. And I'm leaving a coffee shop. I just did this workout class, which I inserted some clips. It was so insanely fun and hard, and it was so hot in there. I still stink. So I'm gonna go home and shower and get ready, and Caleb and I are gonna go do some errands, and I think he wants to go get a new pair of shoes. So we're gonna go do that, but I need a shower, get all this sweat off of me, and I wanna talk to you guys about something soon. And I've just missed you guys. I've missed vlogging, and I'm sorry it's been so long. So many things going on, and I'll talk about those later. So let's go home and get ready first. I got home about 2 hours ago. I showered, I did my makeup, my hair is still air drying. I am going on a little date night tonight with Caleb, so we're about to get dressed up and I'm gonna pick out my outfit and then I'll bring you guys along with us on our date night. Okay, so I just curled my hair, like roller brushed it out. I know I look crazy, so we're about to go out. I just wanted to touch up my makeup because I did it a while ago and I just wanted to say hi and catch up. So I have not vlogged in over a month, and there's been some crazy updates of things that have gone on. Number one, obviously I got married, which you guys saw, and we spent New York and Christmas. Christmas in New York. And
what are you doing? We gotta go.
Looking like an alien.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I was just updating them really fast before we go.
When is the vlog coming back?
So that's what I'm talking to the people about, because I was just saying how we've been really inconsistent and we would love to post weekly again. We just have to take some time off because I wrote a book, and I look so crazy announcing this, but this is just the unfiltered version on YouTube. So I'm gonna take these out. We're gonna see how these look. But I took some time off because I wrote a freaking book. It's called Becoming Happy and Healthy, Real Life Advice on Friendship, Dating, Career, and Everything Else You Care About Most, or care about. And I have been working on that for a very long time. I cannot believe I get to finally announce this project. It took so much time, and I'm just so glad it's out in the world. So if you already follow me on YouTube or podcasting, then you already saw. But that took a good chunk of time, and I am excited just to, oh, hello hair, what are you doing? I started it in May 2022, and I finished writing it about last January. It's been an entire year. I finally announced it about a little over a week ago, and oh my gosh, the feedback has been amazing. You guys have been so excited, and it's just been such a joy releasing this book. And so basically this book is advice for anyone basically in anything they're going through, which I know sounds like super broad, but it's because every single chapter has something covering something that you're probably facing. So we have faith, expectations, contentment, friendship, dating, confidence, habits, career, decisions, secrets, being set apart, wellness. Each one covers a certain topic, and they're all basically addressing the things that I have gone through. Like, I start every chapter with my stories, things I've been through, things I've overcome, stories I've never shared before. And then eventually I give you guys advice on how to do the same thing. It's available for purchase on March 26th. So make sure you guys pre-order it. Check it out on my website, JeanineAmapola.com. And I know I'm not doing the best job explaining this, but really this just covers so many different topics that people have asked me about that they're struggling with. And I'm going to give you practical, authentic, and biblical advice on how to navigate all those topics that I talked about. And I really think that each chapter, they're different topics, but each of them is going to have something for you in it. So I pray this book blesses you. Check it out. You can learn more about it on my website. Been here for the entire journey. I just want to say thank you so much, because I've had so many people that have followed me for the last 10 plus years of my journey, from cheerleading videos to high school to all the things. And I just want to say thank you guys. That means the world to me, and it's such a blessing bringing you guys along this journey. And it's so crazy seeing this in my hands, and it's real. Here's the actual cover for you guys. What's up, vlog? We got Jenna here in the back. Long time no vlog. I'm here at Paradiso. I don't know where oh, it's over there. Celebrating the announcement of my book with Fashion Pass. Here's everybody. I am late actually, which is kind of embarrassing.
Everyone is in.
Have community and just support Fashion Pass. So thank you, Fashion Pass, for hosting this. This means like so much to me. And thank you guys for making me mine. Okay. The book in real life. My name is Jeanine Amapola Ward, and I am the author of Becoming Happy and Healthy. And I'm so excited for my new book because I believe this book is going to transform your life. If you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling like, what is my next move? I don't know how to hear the voice of God. If you're just honestly looking for a way to better your life, then I've got you. Please disregard the mess. This is the outfit I decided on. White Fox Boutique skirt, my Amazon sweater, Zara vest, and these boots. I don't remember where they're from. Probably from Nordstrom, I think. My jewelry here, and they're ready to go. On our way to our date night, we decided to go somewhere new today.
We don't even have a reservation.
We're just winging it and honestly hoping for the best. So wish us luck. We love our date nights though.
We do.
Big date nights, people. Okay, so we're on our way. Let's see what we can find when we get there. We just got here. Parking is kind of a mess, but this place is so cool. We like to come here just every now and then. See what's crack-a-lackin'. We're walking around. Here's Kebab's outfit.
Hanging around.
Let's see what you're wearing. With the Adidas? Let's go.
That's with the fit.
Yeah, it's kind of fire. We are here with zero plan. He did get a gift card to Lulu for Christmas, so let's go in there and just see what we can find you. It's so colder than I was expecting. There's like steam. Okay, I'll stop.
Should we do a good old-fashioned burger? Fries.
I do love that, but not tonight. Remember Tommy Bahama's food when we got engaged?
So good.
Oh my gosh, so good. We came to Starbucks because we're both so tired. And I was sitting at this table for 10 minutes wondering. I'm like, dang, he's been in the bathroom for a long time. He comes walking over. He's like, why are you sitting over here? I'm like, where were you? He was sitting over there.
You can take the girl out of shopping, but you can't take the shopping out of the girl.
I do like shopping, but I don't shop as much as you think. Okay, everywhere had an hour and 45-minute wait, so we came to the food court.
You're getting copyrighted.
We can get anything we want here, so let's go. It's a busy thing in here. Hey, we decided on ramen because we were hungry and this sounded good. All right, we decided to come to Macero. We're just getting a little chips and one drink. This place is packed right now. We've been having so much fun though. We've been asking each other some really good questions just back and forth. Like he asked me, what's your most toxic trait? And what else? Since the first time we started dating to where we are now, how have I changed? So it's been good intentional question hour.
It's like we're dating again.
Yeah, I love it.
Wisdom in the leadership. She had heard there is something phenomenal about the people that are surrounded in that place. She had heard that there is a God that seems to be doing something in that place.
All right, everybody. It is Sunday. We got back from church about an hour and a half ago, and I just cleaned a ton. And we're just gonna be hanging out. Caleb has a 6 to 8 mile run today because he's training for a half marathon. I am gonna go run some errands and do some returns. I'll bring you guys with me, but we're gonna go do that and then we will close out on this vlog. All right, it is time to go run some errands. I have to pick up some things for the house and then do some returns. So I'm gonna go to UPS. Just threw on this comfy fit. I just wanna be comfy when I'm running errands, so here we go. All right, home good time. There I am. I am